Okay, I'm going to give this a quick vacuum with this vacuum, my old one, and pick up all the dog hair. Okay, that's all my previous vacuum collected. As you can see, not a lot. Now we'll try with the Dyson. That's what came out of the Dyson after the fact. Amazing.
Hello everyone, this vacuum cleaner is really cool. You only have to put it on the ground, press the red button, and then you just move it and then it goes. And what I like about it is that you just have to hold and push it, and you have to put it where you want to put it. So it's pretty easy. Hold on. Bye.
You picked up all the rubbish?
Yeah.
Good girl. You like it? Is it the best? Is it a very good vacuum?